Hello children. Children, I am Aarti Shingari from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Ahmednagar. Today we will start with a new series of videos. It is based on numbers. So henceforth we will learn all the types of numbers. Children, I am very happy to tell you that the making videos on numbers, one child called me and asked me to make videos. So you can also ask me to make videos of your choice. And I will definitely make your choice videos. And you will learn maths. Children, you know that with every video we learn one moral value. So today's moral value is be a good friend. Children, you know that you have many friends and you also think that you are a good friend. They are also your good friends. But children, always laughing with friends or playing with friends, that is not enough. From now only at the smaller age, you try to bring your friends on the right path. Many times you observe that your friends are making mistakes, but you try to ignore them. Children, never do this. Being a good friend means pointing out the negative things, pointing out their mistakes, and then bring all the children on the right path. All your friends on the right path. I am sure that you are imbibing all the good moral values in you. So now let us come to our topic of today, that is numbers. Now here numbers means there are many sets of numbers, different types of numbers, and to all the numbers they have given names. So the first set of numbers are known as natural numbers. Now natural numbers, they are also known as counting numbers. Here the natural number starts with 1 and it goes up to infinity. Here we never put 0 in natural numbers, or you say 1 is the smallest natural number. Why? What is the reason? Why we don't add 0 in natural numbers? Because we can never use 0 for counting things. Your mother, when she brings fruits from the market and you ask for oranges, then she never says, no, I have got 0 oranges in my bag. She will say, no, I didn't get oranges today. You never say, I have 0 chocolates in my pocket. You will say, I don't have any chocolate in my pockets. I don't have any pencil today in my bag. So 0 you never use for counting things. So 1 is the smallest natural numbers. Now these natural numbers can be divided into odd and even. The odd numbers, they begin with 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And even numbers, they start from 2, 4, 6, 8. Here by seeing the numbers itself, you can make the difference. That in even numbers, you can make pairs, set. Here you will say 1 pair of marbles. Here you will say 2 pair of marbles. Here you say 3 pairs or 3 sets of pencils. Likewise, when you divide any number by even number by 2, you will get the remainder always 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Never, remainder is never there. But in odd number, when you make pairs, then 1 is always left behind. You know with 1, you cannot make pair. In 3, you can make 1 pair, but 1 is left behind. In 5, you make 2 pairs, but 1 is left behind. In 7, you make 3 pairs and 1 is left behind. That means in even numbers, when you divide even numbers by 2, you get the remainder 0. And when you divide odd numbers by 2, you get the remainder 1. In maths, we have 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We can do all these 4 operations on natural numbers. Here we have to learn 2 identities of 0 and 1. What are these 2 identities? Identities of 0. That means if you add 0 to any number, or if you subtract 0 from any number, in both the cases you get the answer is number itself. Same number. 3 plus 0, 3. 5 minus 0, 5. And when you multiply any number by 0, then you get 0. And if you divide, here you please see my language. If you divide 0 by any number, children, remember one thing. You can never divide by 0. You can never divide by 0. So if you divide 0 by any number, you will also always get the answer as 0. In addition and subtraction, you get the same number, and in multiplication and division, you get 0. And now, identity of 1. If you add 1 to any number, you will get the succeeding number, means next number. And if we subtract 1 from any number, then you get the preceding number, that means before number. If you multiply by 1 to any number, you will get number itself. And if you divide by 1, you will get the number itself. So in addition and subtraction, you get the succeeding number, means after number and before number. And in multiplication and division, you get the answer as 0. These 2 identities, children, they are very, very important. So remember these 2 identities. Now children, the next set of numbers are whole numbers. Here in whole numbers, what happens is you start the numbers with 0. Remaining all the thing is same. 0, 1, 2, 3 and it goes till infinity. So 0 is the smallest whole number. 1 is the smallest natural number. With 0 and 1 identities, all the 4 operations can be done in whole numbers also. Okay. Now in the next video, we will learn the new set of numbers. So children, I hope you are learning maths well with these videos. You have started loving maths. That is important, children. Loving maths. So be good, be happy, stay fit, love maths. Thank you, children.